Attention DIY car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the toolbox of success with the 7 incredible tools for DIY car repairs. Buckle up as we unveil the must-haves that will transform your garage into a haven of automotive mastery. Tool number 1. The mighty socket set, your Swiss Army knife for tackling nuts and bolts with precision. From oil changes to brake jobs, this versatile set is your go-to sidekick. The Jack and Jack stands. Lifting your car safely is non-negotiable. Whether it's for tire changes or exploring the underbelly, these tools ensure you stay grounded and secure. The OBD2 scanner ain't your car's diagnostic companion. Plug in, decipher those mysterious check engine lights, and stay one step ahead of potential issues. The multimeter unraveling electrical mysteries like a pro. From testing circuits to checking batteries, this tool is your key to electrical wizardry. The torque wrench, precision is power. Tighten those nuts and bolts to perfection, avoiding under or over-tightening headaches down the road. The brake bleeder kit, tackling brake maintenance with confidence. Say goodbye to spongy brakes and hello to smooth, responsive stopping power. The oil filter wrench, the unsung hero of oil changes. Say goodbye to wrestling with stubborn filters and hello to quick, efficient swaps. Ready to elevate your DIY game? Subscribe for more pro tips and let's roll into a world of automotive mastery together.